How to unfriend someone on Snapchat. Hello guys, this is Atticus from App Hacks, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how you can unfriend people on Snapchat. So this is a really easy process, and it's really easy to do. So if you are new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's get started. First, open up your Snapchat. After you open your Snapchat, go to your chat section. Now after you are on your chat section, just tap on the bit emoji of someone that you want to unfriend. So just tap on it and there you will see the person's profile. Now tap on the three dots on the top right, and after you are there, you need to tap on manage friendship. Tap on manage friendship and there you will see options. Now here you can block the person or report the person or even remove friend. So tap on remove friend to unfriend them and tap on remove. After you do that, that person has been now unfriend and you're no longer friends with them. So that is basically how you do it, guys. That is how you unfriend someone on Snapchat. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. Don't forget to like the video.